Toyota Production Systems appears when you study the university?
Oh, that's a question to me.
Yeah.
No, I didn't study. I think a Toyota production system in Japan, the way I see it happen in Toyota, especially, is that it may not require any any background. There's lots of common sense. So the way I see it is that if you have an expert, of course that's helpful, but this expert has to have a connection to the people at the shop floor. So the empowerment is, in my view, major part of not wasting the resources we have.
Okay.
And therefore the Kanban and the Pokayoke and the organization, TPM and everything is depending on how well they are interested or committed and find meaning in the activity they do at the shop floor. And without them, it doesn't happen. So there's a shift of that because of the AI and the robotics. Things have been, changing, but still the feeling and the idea, in my view, should exist for the empowering people to be a part of it. And then therefore the system is to integrate them. And that's the customer friendliness of the framework that is to bring people empowered, but also have some strategy, orchestration, and a PDCA cycle. And therefore, I put together with TPM and the TQM and the strategy, therefore the mini company idea and so forth to be an integrated whole of how we may want to transform the organization from the top down or chaotic process to more organized from the 5S or I call 6S and building up the skill and the interest and the values of the people and connecting. So, for example, if I say more, just the one more line, I just thought about it. In Toyota, they use the word kuroko. Kuroko means kuro is black and ko is sister or the child, kuroko. So kuroko means you are darkness and you're it's not manipulating, but there's the play that the doll dances and you go with this and he is just behind. So the person who is processing this implementation is not to be too much upfront to tell them what to do, but rather to coordinate, to synthesize ideas, not just vertically, but horizontally and integrated. So that kind of a notion to me is very important, and that led me to be a catalyst of the change, talking at the top level, middle management and shop floor level, and then across the organizational boundaries, so that what it is required is skill of integration and see things in a global sense. And what Taichi Ono has gone through, in my view, is very much connected to the awakening of the people. So that's why I'm relating to the Zen and the simplicity. And there's a koan, for example, for people to process it. And some may get it, some may not get it. So it's a difficult process. And some of the koan that the Taichi Ono, because I was with him just one by one and walking around the shop floor, rare opportunity.